All right, so if we are going to be solving sine of 2x minus cosine x equals 0 for x on the interval from 0 to 2 pi, okay, so that is a full rotation around the unit circle. We first can change the equation by changing sine of 2x to 2 sine x cosine x using the identity. And then since both of them have a cosine of x in them, we can take out the cosine of x, factor out a cosine of x from both, and we would be left with 2 sine x minus 1. Since it equals 0, only one of these has to be 0. So we can let me zoom in a little bit. If we make the cosine of x equal to 0, okay, so we'd have cosine x equals 0. We can go to a unit circle. The cosine is the x value, so x equals 0 would be right on the y-axis, okay? And to find the angle that gets there from your starting place, we would have this angle, this 90-degree angle, which is actually pi over 2 radians. So we have our x equals pi over 2 for that one. We also have, if we rotate all the way around and meet back there, and that is actually 3 pi over 2 radians. Now we can also set the 2 sine x minus 1 to give us 0. Okay, if we do that, then your sine of x would have to equal 1/2. So if we do a new picture down on our second unit circle, if I draw a line at 1/2 for sine, since sine is the y value, so y at 1/2, we have an angle that meets that point right here. And that angle is actually pi over 6. So x equals pi over 6. And then we also have this angle. So it's all the way this way. And that is going to be 5 pi over 6. So those are the 4 x solutions that you can get from this function from 0 to 2 pi.